What's your favorite food now that you have teeth?
Well, I could eat French fries without teeth. So now my.
What's your favorite French fry? What's your favorite fast food French fry?
Hooters curly fries.
Okay. All right. You like the skin.
I love
like
the
it
seasoning.
doesn't have it doesn't have the skin on it.
Season.
The curly fries.
No,
I'm thinking of Arby's.
Yeah, I like those too. French fries has always been a favorite food of mine, but
Do you like Chick-fil-A?
hot wings? I do love Chick-fil-A. Hot wings, big thing, and I was always a potato lover. So when you said soft food diet for 90 days, I was like, I got this.
So I have a potato story real quick. So I like to cook. I cook a good amount, but most of it's kind of like barbecue, and I do Thanksgiving pretty much every year.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll get into sides and whatever. So on Memorial Day, my wife was begging me like, "What are we gonna bring? What are we gonna bring?" I said, "Don't worry about it. You go." She rides horses. I was like, "You go ride. I'll figure it out, and then we'll just bring whatever I figure out." So I go to the grocery store and I'm passing by the potatoes and I go, "I've never made potato wedges. I can figure that out." So I bought all the stuff. And I'm like, how hard can it be? I'm pretty good at cooking. So I didn't look up anything. Okay. And I struggle with those things like you've never seen somebody struggle cooking.
Instructions.
Okay? I didn't look up any instructions. So I show up and I'm making this huge deal to like the family that we hang out with all the time. Like they're from Pensacola actually.
Nice.
And so, just kind of very similar to you, but they cook and they bake. And so I'm sitting there like just complaining to them like, man, they're so hard. And they're like, really? The potato skins are pretty easy. Like you're decent at cooking. Like what's wrong with you? Dude, I didn't look up any instructions. I boiled the potatoes like a moron. Literally,
no.
I boiled the potatoes and was trying to peel the inside out of the boiled skin. Successfully, I might add, I did it.
Did you?
But it took me forever. So
I do mine.
you put them in microwave or bake them.
You can
do
bake
not
them,
boil.
I have never had an oven that can do like they're in there forever. So I just put them in the microwave. My grandmother does twice baked potatoes when
yum.
she was alive. Oh my gosh. Put them things in the microwave, get them soft, cut them in half long ways, scrape it all out into a bowl.
Yep.
And then mix it with the cheese, butter, sour
Yum.
cream, chives, bacon, put them in there, and then put you some more chives and bacon on top of that. Oh my gosh, just so good. But potatoes is probably my favorite food.
Yeah, that's what it sounds like.
That I
Yeah.
need to lay off of, and bread.
Did you have anything that you used reliably? What was your like go-to kind of like, let's break it into 3 phases. Did you have a go-to in the first month, second month, third month, or was it just sort of the same thing, or you varied it up quite a bit? Hamburger. Yep.
Hamburger meat, anything. So I probably did a soft food diet for 6 months because I didn't have any pain. I was back at work the second week and I was here for 9
You were hunting for snakes like the second day.
Yeah, we
right?
were.
Something like that, yeah.
Oh, yeah.